Today we're installing underground cable. The first thing is we've got to dig a trench from this post to the strainer there that's a minimum of 300 deep. I've got the gate closed because I'm going to mark out along here and just use that to mark where we're going to dig. I'm just going to go down past the side of that post there. Once we've done that, can open the gate, and I'll just about a spade width along here. Strainrite recommends to always run the underground cable through some alkaline or poly pipe. That gives it extra protection. I've cut this already. It goes from the top of that post through the trench and up to the top of this, and that's about the length we need to do it. The easiest way to poke the underground cable through is to try and keep this nice and straight and tight. So to help do that, I'm going to get this in and put a staple over it at the top of the post. Now the staples, to begin with, they're narrower than the pipe. I'll just use the gate to splay the staple out a little bit, and now that'll fit over that pipe and hold it there. So I've got that. Just here we have the high conductive LeClad wire, which has just over 4 times the conductivity of 4 2.5mm wires put together. It's on the Titan Jenny, and it's a hank in hank form, so it just feeds off the Jenny, and it's really good to use hanks off the Jenny to thread through the alkaline or poly pipe. Now by stapling that on the post at the other end and then keeping it nice and tight and straight, it pokes through really easy, just comes off the Jenny and slides through. The less kinks you have in it, the better. And it's surprising what length you can actually push it through as long as you keep it tight and straight. Here we've got the alkaline or poly pipe with the cable running through it, laid in the trench and stapled off on the post, coming up in a nice curve here so you don't get a kink in that alkaline, and with this end pointing downwards to keep the water out. It's paired off at this end, ready to hook into the joint clamp here. Now next step is we'll fill in the trench and then repeat this same process at the other end